So this video, I just wanted to do a quick video for anybody with a SoftwaveTRT who needs to replace the applicator. This is the second time I am replacing my applicator, and I was just a little nervous. I didn't want to screw up, but I noticed there was no quick video just to remind you how to do it. This is my second time. Each SoftWave applicator has 500,000 shocks. And when you get down towards the end, you got to replace it. So we got down to 3,000 shocks today on our second handpiece, and Dr. Henny zapped the last 3,000 on both his ankles, I believe. And this is a quick tutorial on how to replace it. It's super easy. I also just made this so in another 500,000 shocks, I remember how to do it. So if you have a SoftwaveTRT, this could be helpful once or twice, but after you do it twice, it's pretty darn easy. This is a video on how to replace your applicator, the applicator on the SoftwaveTRT. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drain the applicator. So, holding it up in gravity. Okay. Basically draining the applicator so we can replace it. It goes through another process when you hit setup. Our second SoftWave applicator for your replacing. Just a good thing. Okay. You want to make sure that the applicator, when you're replacing it, you want to make sure nothing, like this has a very low ledge, so it's not going to hit and get stuck as it's coming out. You're going to hit this button that says setup, button that says applicator, cartridge, and we're going to hit applicator. We do that, this screen comes down, applicator comes out. Bada bing, bada boom. So that's where it came out of this area right here. Now we're going to change the cartridge. So again, the cartridge button is that guy right there. You should be able to, that's in the back here. We should be able just to pop the cartridge out. I have a difficulty doing that, but it should just come out. Oh. And I should replace it. Kind of gets all milky working. Put the new cartridge in. And that's just again in the back here. You just go in and it clicks in. The new one, the new applicator, pretty simple. New applicator. Or the other version of just slap it down. So we're going to test it out. I'm going to fill it and see if I get it right. Give it back. Now it should read.
A couple extras on it.
500,765. So I'm going to still back this in my poor patients. I did it right. We shouldn't miss it. Not reeking over there. Whenever I fill it, I always hold it down. So I'm just filling it back up. Oh, it's beautiful. Well done.